How to cancel a reservation on booking.com. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your reservation on booking.com. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the booking.com application and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So you'll be able to see your booking or reservation over here under the section of upcoming trip. So what you gotta do is click on bookings over here at the bottom. And once you do so, you'll be able to see that this is your confirmed reservation. So in order to cancel it, you gotta click on these three dots over here. And once you do so, you're gonna click on cancel booking. So simply click on cancel booking and then you can click on cancel entire booking. So it will just ask you that you're about to cancel the entire booking, and then you can simply click on cancel entire booking. So once you click on that, you need to complete your cancellation. So you're going to tell them the reason why you wish to cancel the reservation. So you can just select any of the reason and then click on continue and then click on cancel now. So once you click on cancel now, they're going to confirm your cancellation. And after that, it will say that booking cancelled and they'll send an email confirming your cancellation. So you can simply click on OK, got it. And here you can see that you have finally and successfully cancelled your booking over here. Now here you can see that you have finally canceled your reservation on booking.com. It says cancellation and rebooking info if you wish to rebook it again after cancellation. So that was how you can cancel your reservation on booking.com. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.